So recently, my little sister Mackenzie and I went to Arizona. While we were there, we drove over 800 miles and spent 13 plus hours in the car. We did this all in a few short days, exploring all that Arizona had to offer. This is how it went.
Baby, you and me can leave right now. Meet me out back if you like how that sounds. You and me could. You and me could. We can leave right now. You and me could. If you like how that sounds. You and me could. If not, I get.
Greetings from sunny Arizona.
So this is Aunt Joni. Her husband Ed and her live just north of Phoenix and were gracious enough to let us stay at their house a few days while we were down there. So after arriving at their house and a good night's rest, we started making our way north.
I was on a train out of New Mexico, looking for a flame for my heart.
Our first stop was Sedona.
You ready?
Yeah, so
Yeah? Is it hot?
kind of.
Are you prepared?
I think so.
Good.
Here we made a 4-mile hike to Devil's Bridge.
What's up? So we made it to the arch.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Long hike. But so there's this like super, there you go, Mom, we're on the edge. There's this perfect like little spot for a photo out on the ledge. I don't know if you can see that. But anyhow, so there's the arch and you wait in line to take a photo in the middle of the arch. And the line is like over an hour long. I'll go past it right now, but it is ridiculous just to grab an Instagram pic. So I just worked a little magic, did a little Photoshop, and we got our pic in like 10 minutes. But yeah, this place is absolutely beautiful.
Following Sedona, we continued northward towards the Grand Canyon.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, Jack, take my way, it's the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Kenzie, you ready for your first time to see the Grand Canyon?
Yeah, it's kind
Yeah?
of sweet.
Yeah? You pumped?
I'm pumped.
It could be a little sunnier, huh?
Yeah.
A little more sunshine?
It's starting to rain,
It's starting to rain.
but it's okay.
What do you think?
Jeez.
Wow.
It's like straight drop off.
That's insane.
I used to worry about nothing, said I'd never grow up, and I fell in love, and it was enough until it wasn't. I used to dream that we could make it, but now I'm working on a paycheck, and the voice in the line says I'm doing fine, can you tell that I'm faking? And we watch our friends play the same old game, and we all pretend that we're okay, but we won't say, take me back to the time getting home was turning 25. Single CD that you burned me, we played it back. The way we laugh, windows down, rolling around the south side of town. On your flip phone, you told your dad no, you wouldn't crash. Maybe we went too fast in your Pontiac.
What are we doing today, Kens?
We are going kayaking.
Where?
Antelope Canyon.
What's Antelope Canyon?
Rock structure.
A rock structure?
Cool looking rock.
GoPro, Kenzie, and then just put it in front of you like this, and just slowly rotate it out. You can't see me, because I want you to kind of like lean forward with it, like, there you go. So you get like me kayaking back here. That's too far into the air. It's a video, like, so like try to make a smooth motion. You're gonna be in the video looking like this, Kenzie. Like, you just have to go like, how's that so hard? Look at it. You can do it. Little farther, right there. Do it nice and slow. So we just got done with our kayak ride, about 4 miles back into the slot canyon of Antelope Canyon here. We're about to hike. Yeah, give him a view, give him a view. So Kenzie, you ready?
Yep.
Alrighty, let's go. Oh wait, one moment.
I do it for the turn up. Got that ammo locked and loaded. I ain't talking about no murder. Flip a page, I'll explode it. Got a cabin in Manolo. Manolo.
Are you half empty? Why don't you fill up? There's no sense in holding on to something broken. Did you lose something or someone you love? You still got that story. Tell it every morning. Driving down the road that's slowly. All the loving memories your heart's been holding. Nothing silhouettes till the lights come on. Nothing silhouettes till the lights come on. So come on.
So following this, we got back in the car and drove from Page back down to Sedona to catch a sunset hike.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you have to use all three. Throw that up here. Just make sure you're being careful. You have no idea how steep that is. That is steep. That is scary.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 bip, a bip, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So the next day we headed south to do the last hike of our trip. Camelback Mountain, located in Phoenix, Arizona.
You scared?
No.
You're not scared?
No.
Why not?
I drank enough water. I'm good.
What if you step on a rattlesnake?
I won't step on it.
Then
If
you
it
get-
bites me, it bites me.
Had to have high hopes for a living. Shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. Mama said, fulfill the prophecy, be something great. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Back in the days we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes.
About halfway into our hike, I was starting to see Mackenzie was struggling. Not that she would tell me that, because she is extremely tough, but I could see that she was starting to slow down and was less responsive. So after asking her some more questions, it was very visible that she was starting to become dehydrated. Keep in mind though, it was well over 100 degrees and we were hiking midday. It was miserable. So I found one of the few shade spots on the trail, gave Mackenzie my phone, and she took a break while I continued to climb upward.
Never come down. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me. So I got one more run, and it's gonna be a sight to see. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes.
We made it back. That was the hardest hike of my life. Kenzie, how you feeling?
I'm sorry. It's hot.
Whew. That was absolutely exhausting, but we made it back. So.
The following morning was bittersweet as we had to say our goodbyes.
Do you have any advice for all the young people out there?
Trust the Lord with all your heart, live for Him, and that's the main thing you can do. And it is not always easy, but He'll always have your heart in your hand. And that's the best advice I can give this morning.
That was great.
Before heading off to the airport though, we had the privilege of watching Ed fly's RC plane.
Flight 229, you're clear for takeoff. Flight 022, approach 4325.
Ready to go.
Great trip.
He looks good.
Just excited. Oh, I forgot to look.
I do it for the